I would like to express my special welcome to all our international guests who join us for the first time in GCBSS conference.
Greetings from Brisbane, Australia.
How powerful CFO affects financial reporting quality.
It is provide both in-person and online conference, so I think this is a good point of this conference during the COVID-19. In addition, there are a lot of the participants from various of the countries that I can learn, discuss with them. And the last one that attract me to join this conference because there's the workshop about the ISI and the Scopus presentation. I think the speaker is very well known and high experienced.
I am very glad to be here. I will be very brief in my comment. I think GCBSS is a very good conference that gives us peer network so that we can expand our academic boundary. We can hear a lot of topics that we do not hear from anywhere else in Thailand.
GALA has grown from a small child to a really very professional organization, I should say. It is handling all the different disciplines very in an amazing manner. It's one of the best conferences I have attended. I've attended many conferences in the US and the UK, even in the GCC, but GALA is something which is close to my heart, and that's why I've been continuously associated with GALA conferences. And I hope I will do the same in future as well.
I think it's highly commendable. The team is very responsive to all kinds of issues and they answer the email very fast. So I'd like to congratulate the team on that.
It's very good for knowledge and experience for sharing with my lecturers and students. I think that in the future I will join and advise my friend to join this.
I think this is a great conference that gave opportunity for the lecturer in the country to share experience about their research. If I have a chance or opportunity, I will join this conference again next time. Thank you.
Congratulations to the GCBSS committee for organizing this seminar.
The first person I would like to thank is Professor Kasan Pirsada. I always say that he is the heart and the soul of the conference. The most important people to thank are the participants, because without the participants, a conference of this nature could not be organized. The conference is for you. It is your creation. It enables you to facilitate your publication efforts. The only remaining thing I have to do is to invite you to the next conference, which will be the 12th Conference on Business and Social Sciences. I hope to see you in person. Congratulations to all of you.